What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Got another video. Got a little update from going to the RC park the other day. A little follow-up on some of the parts, and also just had something come in the mail. And then we've got some mods that's going to be coming as well from a friend of mine. So the issue with the steering the other day was the servo went bad. So it's the factory servo. Determined that it went bad. So a friend of mine's got one he's going to put in. I'm going to send over to him. I would normally just install it myself, but what he's also doing is he's going to replace all the screws on the Rustler with all stainless steel screws. Something new that he's doing, he's got a kit together already for, I think it's the Stampede and maybe the X-Max. And he's going to put one together for the Rustler. I'll put a link to his page to where you can find the kits that he already has for stainless steel screws. That way you're not stripping them anymore. Because I've got a couple on here that are stripped. So it's just been a fun ongoing thing I've been dealing with. And then the other thing is the GPM axles finally came in. Waited probably about a month for them. So gonna go ahead and install them. Gonna put the center drive shaft back in so that we are back to true four-wheel drive again. So I'll put that back in. We won't be able to drive it today because the servo's bad, but I'm going to clean it up and send it off. And before we send it away, we'll check out and see how it is. Oh, looks like that looks bent. Good times. All right. Maybe it's broke. I don't know. I'll do a tear down and I'll see what's going on with it. So I have the axles out and they feel nice and heavy. They're sturdy feeling. Definitely a lot heavier than the plastic ones that come in it. I'm going to go ahead and put everything in, mount them up, and put the rest of it back. And then also, all it was with that rod was it was just bent. All I did was just take it off and just, as you saw in the vise, just put it back together. But I'll go ahead and get these in. I just dropped one of these bolts, fell underneath the car. But I'll get these in, and then, yeah, we'll see how it all goes. I do have to say these things look badass now that they're in. The one side was giving me some trouble. Had an issue getting it all the way through into the in through the bearings. But all in all, it feels good. Nice and solid. They're a little different. They kind of match the blue more to the shock towers than they do anything else that's blue. I mean, it's a different brand anyway. These are GPM. But I do like how easy they went in. I don't know if I'm going to need Loctite for any of these. I didn't use it because they could be replaced with stainless steel. But I'm going to go ahead and put the drive shaft back in, put it back together, and get ready to send it off. A lot of dirt came off of it. Back together, went back together fairly simple, no real issues. So next is I'm going to send this away to a friend, and he's going to put a new 2075 servo in. He's going to set that up for me, and then he's also going to replace all the screws and hardware with stainless steel bolts. Again, I'm going to put a link in the description for you to go ahead and check out his page and on one of these RC websites, and he's going to have some more kits coming soon. I guess my Rustler is going to be the dummy that takes on the test. And it does look like replacing the rear axle didn't really do anything for the alignment of this back. I don't know what's going on, why that keeps bending in like that. I don't know if it's not sitting in right, but that's a brand new axle in the rear. On this side, I don't know, maybe it's too much play that's in the back there. I don't know. But probably gonna have to go ahead and order some GPM rear axles next, just so that, you know, it's gonna take about a month for them to come in again. So, all right, next video will be when I get her back and she's all fixed. Well, when she's got all of her new hardware in. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, and check out all the other videos from all the other day. I know my editing sucks. I need to get better at it, but gonna have a bunch more videos coming up. So go ahead and check out all the other ones. Let me know what else you want to see done for the Rustler. I know I need some new wheels and tires. These are being held on by super glue, I think, on 3 of them. Other than that, let me know what other parts you want to see bought and then installed on it. May do the towers next, but definitely going to order the drive shaft, or the rear axles, rear drive shafts, whatever you want to call them. All right, thanks. Until next time, see ya.